Hi, my name is Jared, and I'm a technical support engineer here at Hawk Ridge Systems. This video is part of our Technical Support Tips and Tricks video series. This video covers the process of how to set up your MySolidWorks.com admin portal so that users can be set up for SOLIDWORKS online licensing. In order to begin, first create a login at MySolidWorks.com, or if you've already have one, should correspond to your customer portal account that has been set up at SolidWorks.com. Once in the admin portal, you can look up a user by first name, last name, or email. One thing to note is that if anyone from your organization has previously logged into the admin portal, they will be considered the admin portal administrator. And as such, if you want to change administrators, that individual would need to log in and then set another member as the admin. Once you've entered the search fields that you desire, click search, and that will bring you to a specific user or product, etc. Again, depending on your search filters. You can then select on that individual's name. You'll also notice that I am currently admin. And once you select a user's name, you will then see all of the product licenses that have been assigned to that particular user. You can choose to remove products if you would like. And if you are selected on someone who is not admin, you would be able to remove member. In order to switch a given license onto online licensing, you can select the product. Notice the machine activation. That would be the traditional activation, deactivation from the help drop-down directly in SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD. And you'll notice because I'm machine activated, right now I cannot change to online licensing. You can also see that the license is machine activated on a particular computer. In order to be able to switch to online licensing, we first need to deactivate the machine activated computer listed here. To do so, we can launch SOLIDWORKS, Help, Deactivate Licenses, select the appropriate licenses, once you receive the deactivation succeeded, you can then finish out, which will close SOLIDWORKS, being that the license has been deactivated. However, you'll notice here in the portal, it still shows machine activation and the computer that was machine activated. In order to rectify this, you can simply close the admin portal tab, perform a logout, log back in, again back to the admin portal, which opens up in its own tab. If the page doesn't seem to refresh, you can try closing out your browser and relaunching. One thing to note about online licensing is this is a first generation functionality. So if you do notice any weirdness or incorrect links, etc., links that don't work, you can, in fact, contact us and we will do our best to forward that to SOLIDWORKS. After you've relaunched your browser and returned to mysolidworks.com, again, log in. Admin portal. You can now search for the user again. Select the user's name. And return to the specific product license. And now you'll notice that the Change to Online Licensing link is available. And you can see the computer previously listed as machine activated no longer appears. You can also mouse over the question mark in order to get tips and tricks related to your current activation type. By selecting Change to Online Licensing, we get a pop-up wanting us to confirm the change. Once that has been changed, we can launch SOLIDWORKS. You will need to attempt an activation, the traditional activation. As this error will trigger the switch to now what appears as the online licensing. By dismissing the error, the activation will close out along with SOLIDWORKS. You can now try relaunching SOLIDWORKS again, and then you are brought to your sign-in window for the online licensing. Simply enter your credentials. And after clicking Login, you'll notice that SOLIDWORKS continues with its normal launching procedures. Once SOLIDWORKS is launched in the online licensing mode, you'll notice you've got a nice little user icon, which is blue, meaning you're currently logged in, and you have some direct links to My SOLIDWORKS, Customer Portal, or to take the license offline. If you choose to log out, this icon will become gray and will close out SOLIDWORKS. Again, we can see here in the admin portal, the activation type has changed to online licensing. And you have the option to change back to machine activation should you choose. I hope this video has been helpful outlining the process of how to set up your mysolidworks.com admin portal so that users can be set up for SOLIDWORKS online licensing. The SOLIDWORKS admin portal is free of charge to all SOLIDWORKS customers, regardless of subscription status. And please note that this is a first-generation functionality, so if you do notice any inappropriate links or incorrect, any mistakes essentially within the admin portal, please contact your VAR in order for us to contact SOLIDWORKS and recommend the proper corrections be made. As far as the rollout for online licensing, the rollout is done by geographical region, starting from the eastern United States and moving to the western United States, with a tentative date of February 18th for West Coast users. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.hawkridgesys.com for more knowledge-based material.